Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, don't mind me. I have chocolate in my mouth. That is that chocolate I made the other time. Very yummy, guys. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I do my butterfly Barbie cake. In Dutch we call it Schmetterling Barbie Kuchen. It's for my daughter's birthday. She said that I should do a cake that she would like, and I find out that she likes butterfly cake, Barbie cake precisely. So I decided to make a butterfly Barbie cake for her. So today is her celebration day. I used this opportunity to share with you all this cake. Like I said before in one of my videos, I am not a cake maker like it is my business or my career, but it's my hobby and I love baking. Baking is part of me. So guys, let's get into it and see how it is. So here are all I need for this decoration of the cake. I mean decoration of the butterfly Barbie cake. So right now, like I showed you guys in one of my videos, I always like to make my cake to cut it out in a way that I can give my kids once they come around. So that's why I have a top of it, like more. So right now I'm going to cut the cake into 2 parts, and then just look at what I'm doing right now. One part will be bigger than the other side, but in a triangle form. So after cutting it, this is the way it's supposed to be. Look at it in this form before putting it in a butterfly shape. So the butterfly shapes comes in a 2 method. It depends on the type you want to use. For me, I prefer using this shape because I love the shape. But I will show you again the second method you can use for the butterfly Barbie Kuchen. Is either you turn the triangle, that triangle side to come at the top and the bigger side at the down. So that's another method of using it, that is placing it or making it in a butterfly shape. But I prefer the first method, and that is the method I'm going to use. So this is my best choice of doing my butterfly Barbie cake. That is Schmetterling Barbie Kuchen. Look at it. Yeah, that's the way I like mine to be. So I'll now go ahead and start applying buttercream on it. In case of the buttercream, interested to know how I made the buttercream? Yeah, the link will come out anywhere on the screen, maybe at the end of the screen, or come as info in case if you like to know how I made the buttercream. So here I take my time to smooth it very well, though it was not so smooth as I want because I'm running out of time. I don't want my daughter to see me making this cake because it is a surprise cake. We call it Überraschung cake. Überraschung Kuchen. So I was rushing so that I can finish it before she came back from school. So here is my Barbie. I've cleaned it very well. About to wrap it with a folio before placing it on top of the cake. So here I'm just selecting the piping tape I need for the decoration of the Barbie Kuchen. That is the Barbie cake, Schmetterling Barbie cake. I just want to start with the down, that is the gown, before making the top, that is the gown top. Keep watching, guys. So for the gown top, I'm going to use another piping tape, the one I feel that will fit the gown. So here I'm trying to get the butterfly line, that line that is in the butterfly, the bladder. That's what I'm trying to achieve here with that my without my suya stick, or will I say fruit stick. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I don't know whether I get it well or not, but yeah, that's the way I do it. So here I'm using another piping tape and another bag, piping bag for the schmetterling, that is the butterfly lines. So after the lines, I just go ahead and decorate it with sugar beads. If you don't have sugar bead, if there is any other one, decoration beads or any stuffs, sugar you want to use for it, just go ahead and put it there. For me, it's because I have sugar beads. That's the reason I'm putting it, but in a normal sense, I always like to use sugar beads once I'm doing this cake. Normally, I always put pink and white, but because I don't have pink and white, I'm just making use of the one I have at the moment. So guys, I'm done. Just look at it. Oh yeah. I'm so happy that I achieved it. So I know how happy she will be because it is a surprise cake. So here is my little decoration for her. Once she's back from school, I'll just take her inside this room, inside the sitting room. I know she will be very happy, and indeed she was. She was, guys. Oh my goodness. So just take a look at that. I don't know whether you can see it very well. She has cut this side. Not so bad. So she'll go ahead and cut the other parts of the cake so that you guys will see the inside. I've seen that butterfly Barbie cake is very easy to make. So that's for it for today. For my old subscribers, thank you so much. For my new subscribers, thank you so much also. I appreciate you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.